So you're thinking about moving to Toronto? In today's video, we're going to look at some properties and condos in the Distillery District in downtown Toronto. Please stick around to the end because the best kept secrets at the end. So the first condo we're going to look at here is roughly 500 square feet. It's between 5 and 600K. Nice open concept here, as you can see. A little island. And we have full-size stainless steel fridge. A full-size stove, oven, and microwave. Nice stainless steel dishwasher, stainless steel sink, nice marble counter, lots of space, some storage under here, and lots of storage on top. The living room here, nice and cozy, and a really nice balcony here with a great view of the sort of the west and north area of the city. The lights at night would be real nice here. And we're going to go into a little den area here. And then we have the bedroom here with your laundry right in the bedroom. And coming back in here, we have a closet and your washroom with a tub and shower. So that's it. So as mentioned, I always keep the best kept secret till the end. If you've won the lottery, or if you've got a rich relative that owns an oil company, or if you just are plain rich, or you sold a house and you want to buy a nice condo downtown Toronto, this is your lucky day. This is a $1.1 million condo. It's about 1,200 square feet. Let's take a look around. Huge dining room area here with a nice marble island and kitchen to go with it. Nice full-size stainless steel fridge and freezer. Nice size sink with a dish rack. Lots of built-in cupboard space, top and bottom. A nice full-size stove and oven. Nice full-size microwave. And a really nice island here with lots of storage. Beautiful living room area here. Lots of room. And there's a separate little dining room area over here off of the kitchen island. And what I love about this is the view. This is a full-size wraparound balcony. So we got lots of distance, lots of almost the size of a terrace. And it wraps around to the west end with a beautiful view of Lake Ontario to the east, south, and west. And a little bit of the downtown and the CN Tower as well. This is wall-to-wall windows. Another corner unit. I love it. Let's move on into the master here. You got a little seating area here that you can use or as a bedroom. And you've got a nice size walk-in closet. And you've also got a full-size bath here, ensuite. And your laundry is in here. Now let's take a look on the other side here. This is your first time visiting my channel. If you want to know more about living in Toronto, please subscribe, tap the bell. You'll be the first to hear about new market trends here in Toronto. My name is Ed Bulmer. I get calls and texts from people like you every day. So if you want to know more about living in Toronto or the area around Toronto, please call or text me, and I'll be sure to answer you right away. So as mentioned, I always keep the best kept secrets to the end. So if you've won the lottery or have a rich relative that owns an oil company, or if you've just gotten plain lucky or you sold a house, this is the one for you. It's a 1.1 million and it's a little over 1,000 square feet. And this is again the Distillery District. Let's take a look around. So coming in, you've got a little dining room area here, as well as an island that seats several here. A nice large marble countertop. And the kitchen area here, you got a huge size fridge and freezer. Got nice storage here, up and down. Nice sink with a dish rack, dishwasher, all stainless steel appliances. Oven, stove, microwave. And the island has lots of cupboard space as well for your pots and pans. And moving into the living room area, we have a nice size living room area here. And what I love about this one is the view. We have an excellent view of the Lake Ontario all the way to the downtown and CN Tower on the west and back over to the east. And it's a huge wraparound balcony, almost a terrace. The size is so large on this. Now coming in, we have a nice sized living room here. And let's go into the guest bedroom, which could be used as an office or a bedroom, which is what they're doing. Also has a walk-in closet here. And it has a guest washroom with full shower. And also has a laundry room in the guest bedroom. So let's go take a look at the master now. The master has a view of the lake right from the bed. Nice size. And it also has a beautiful ensuite washroom here with full tub. Nice walk-in closet. And it also has a shower. So just all around great condo, great views. Just love this one. Here we go with the living room and dining room again. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video on property tours in the Distillery area. Please share to subscribe so you can be the first to know about new videos coming up.